This summer, University of Illinois Extension filled our communities with life, hosting a variety of events that encourage growth, leadership, and lifelong learning. 4-H General Shows. Creativity came to life at the 4-H General Shows, where youth shared their skills, passions, and hard work. "4-H Animal Shows." From the showroom to the barn, 4-H members display dedication and care in the animal shows. Discovering dragonflies. Families discovered the fascinating world of dragonflies, learning how these amazing insects keep our environment in balance. Magnificent Moths. The Magnificent Moths program brought nature up close, showcasing the beauty and importance of these nighttime pollinators. Illinois Junior Chef Cooking Schools. Young chefs built confidence and skills in the kitchen at the Illinois Junior Chef Cooking Schools, creating healthy and delicious meals. The YAC Impact Conference. Inspiring middle school students to lead, grow, and make a difference in their communities. We are proud to send out a heartfelt thank you to our volunteers, staff, participants, and community partners who made these events possible. We would not be able to do what we do without your support. Thank you. For more information on upcoming opportunities, visit our website or contact your local extension office. The future is bright, and we are just getting started. See what the future holds with opportunities through the University of Illinois Extension.